Wagwan, so the video is going to be on Yanni Curvy Diva. She put on her Instagram, or cleaning lady just called and told us she will be working from home and will tell us instruction on what to do. So I don't know if this is what prompted the idea for Ioctane to start a challenge called, I think, cleaning your house. So this is what he did on his Instagram, and him also tagged a few artists to join the challenge on cleaning your house.
Watch your style, you know. Follow a little closer. Show them what going. So here what going on now. See? You know, so that coronavirus, yeah, thing where you go around. So you know you have to isolate yourself. Look up. So we have a lot of time. No, enough time we have power on. So everybody had the exercise challenge and yeah, good. But remember, so we help, all who have help can't come around, you know. So you don't know. So through we are quarantine, we have to make sure so we have proper hygiene and clean place. So that one your name, Clean House Challenge. Because some of we full of beer dirty clothes, because we don't know if we wash clothes and clean house and cook. Show them what going on. Show them what going on. See? It name Clean House Challenge. I got tag some paper in it when we know them, you know what I mean? Them keep up them thing. Clean House Challenge. Yeah. They don't know. So who not living in a dirty house? Yeah. So me I say. What me say? Clean House what? Clean House Challenge. Start from now. Yeah man, see that? See that? Clean House Challenge. You hear that? Up and run. Ease. Clean House Challenge. Clean House Challenge in him. Up and running.